So what are we doing today?
I don't know. My husband hasn't told me. It's a secret.
Birthday.
My birthday celebration day.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, we're starting the day off with breakfast. Then we're going to see where the day takes us. So, she don't have a clue. So we're going to find out all of us together.
Stuart surprised me with a 50-mile loop helicopter ride through the breathtaking Black Hills of South Dakota. We had a friendly and knowledgeable pilot from Italy who landed us safely back to the ground with ease. The helicopter tour took about 30 minutes and gave us a new perspective of the Black Hills. It was a bittersweet moment to return for landing, but what an extraordinary journey and an unforgettable birthday experience. Thank you.
They
we
just
had a
come in and mess with our
really good
program
time.
because if
They get
it's
another one set up
lightning,
here.
we can't fly. We hang it up.
Well, we told him yesterday,
What do you think, Nancy?
we had, hey,
You like it?
yes, I loved it. Thank you, babe. We were right at the entrance to Custer State Park, and this is what we saw. Here's a whole herd. As always, thanks for watching. Please give us the thumbs up and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Remember, we release new videos each Wednesday at 9 a.m. Hey there. Hey there. I haven't heard one of them make that noise.